Understanding I'm happy to assist. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common and polite phrase in English. I'm happy to assist. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in your English language journey, understanding these common expressions can be incredibly helpful in daily conversations and professional settings alike. So, let's break down what this phrase means, when to use it, and how it can enhance your communication skills. I'm happy to assist is a phrase that combines emotion, happy, with a willingness to help. Assist. I'm is a contraction for I am, indicating a personal statement. Happy conveys a feeling of pleasure or contentment, while to assist means to help or provide aid to someone. Put together, this phrase expresses a positive and willing attitude towards helping someone else. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. In a work environment, it's a professional way to offer help to colleagues, clients, or customers. For example, if a coworker is struggling with a task, saying, "I'm happy to assist," shows both willingness and a positive attitude. In everyday conversations, it can also be used in more casual situations, like offering help to a friend who is moving or to a neighbor in need. The key is in the delivery. A genuine tone and a friendly smile can make this offer of assistance feel even more sincere. Using phrases like, "I'm happy to assist," is not just about offering help. It's also about being polite and showing respect to the other person. It indicates that you are not only willing to help but are pleased to do so. This can make a big difference in how your offer is received and can foster positive relationships in both your personal and professional life. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, "I'm happy to assist." By incorporating such expressions into your everyday language, you can communicate more effectively and build stronger, more positive connections with those around you. Remember, it's not just what you say but how you say it that can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and we're always happy to assist with your English learning journey.